We did it. We are in Germany. There's Germany right there, right out there. Germany is right out there, and we are here, friends. We are actually here. This is awesome. Now, I've never vlogged before, so apologies if this is just horrible. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of where we'll be staying. We're currently staying with our wonderful hosts, the Medaikas. I am not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but they have hooked us up with a sweet room with a pretty incredible view. I'm not sure if you guys can see all of that. This is just one side. It's mostly buildings on this side, but it's still pretty lit. And yeah, that's the view from our room. And then we have bed right there. There's a mattress coming today. The one we slept on last night is actually a blow-up one. And as comfortable as it is a little not ideal. We got some of our clothes hanging there. We got a lot of, we haven't really done any unpacking or anything like that. This is all a mess, but I don't care. It doesn't matter. We got a fan here. You can probably hear that. I didn't turn that off. That's just how bad I am at vlogging. Got a cool little TV there, with Netflix and all that. And they gave us cookies. They gave us those cookies, which are gonna be amazing. Whatever. Got a little chair there. That is where I sit and will probably be editing this video. Not sure what's in that room. I have no desire to see what's in that room because it's not my room, so whatever. And then got bathroom. Pretty nice shower bath combo in here. It's pretty cool. We got the John right there. I have christened it and it's good. I like it. We also have a pretty incredible view right out there. A little weird because I feel like people can smell me through that, but that's their problem, not mine. Anyway, moving on. And this is the living room. Very cool. Super spacious compared to what we would probably get at a hotel or an Airbnb. It is like, this is just the perfect chill spot for after we're done walking, which is gonna be a lot. There's a cat. There's a cat right there. And there was another cat there, but oh, there it is. There it is, that's another cat. 3 cats, super hyped about that. Say hello. Say hello, kitty. Hello. 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 They're super cute. There's another one. Hello. Ooh, grumpy today. And then this little one, the cutest one. Hello. Oh yeah. She loves cuddles. Super cute. And then we closed the blinds a little bit just because it's kind of weird. But we got pretty great view out there as well. Next up is the kitchen. We currently have the blinds closed just because we don't want to leave it open while we're out. So, but yeah, really cool kitchen. That is where we have been having breakfast and all the meals. There's a fridge in there, which is kind of weird. We don't really do built-in fridges like that at home. So that's pretty cool. And then obviously kitchen stuff. I don't know, it's a kitchen. The view is the best out of the window though. So I think, let me just open it. And look at that. How cool is that? There's a nice little park there. We haven't sat down there yet because we're kind of shy, but it looks really cool. That's gonna be really fun to just chill at But yeah, that is where we'll be staying for most of this trip. Huge thanks to the Madaikas for hooking us up like this. It's way better than we would have gotten anywhere else. And it's free, which is amazing. Our mission for today though is to go get some water and just like supplies in general at the local Mueller Mart thing. I was there yesterday and killed myself getting there, but it was fun anyway. Lots of cool things to see on the way, and I'll try to film as many of those as I can. And the ultimate goal is to just get to a little park that we were told about, which should be beautiful. But yeah, I think we're gonna go do that. And success. We found some water and we are currently in this very magical park. We've actually walked through the whole thing already. Just kind of forgot to film, but yeah, that's the park. I'll cut some really sick B-roll in there if I can get any. But yeah, this is kind of amazing. We also got the water at a shop, this shop with a peculiar name. It's more like a shopping center, but yeah, anyway, it is the same as my surname, which is Mueller. I don't think you can actually see that. It's backwards. Yeah, it's Mueller. It's pretty cool. We're probably only gonna be here for a few more minutes, then we're heading back to our flat. And not sure if I'm gonna vlog anything else today. Maybe a little bit tomorrow, but yeah, we'll see. Let's go.